Hello, again we have come with another solution of GATE 2025 and this question of function of several variable. And here three statements are given and this function is a function of two variable and question is about repeated limits and simultaneous limit. So first two statement about two repeated limits. So statement 1 is limit x tend to 0 limit y tend to 0 fxy. Statement 2 is limit y tend to 0 limit x tend to 0 fxy, and statement 3 is the simultaneous limit xy tend to 0 0. So now we will check statement 1, statement 2 and statement 3 which one is correct or not. So let's start the solution. Now first the function which is given is fxy equals to x square minus y square by x square plus y square plus x sine of 1 by x square plus y square. So first check the statement 1 which is about limit x tend to 0, limit y tend to 0, f of xy. So now you can see that we can write this as limit x tend to 0 and we will take y tend to 0 to the function directly. So limit x tend to 0 and when y tend to 0 then for the first part y part will be vanishes and only left with x square by x square plus the second part is x sine 1 by x square because we already taken y tend to 0. Now for the first part limit x tend to 0 1 plus x sine 1 by x square for the second part. So we can write this as 1 plus limit x tend to 0 x sine 1 by x square. But you all know that when limit x tend to 0 then x sine 1 by x square is 0. So this is equal to 1 hence exist. So the statement 1 is true. Now let us check the statement 2 or h2. So in this case limit y tend to 0, limit x tend to 0, f of x comma y. So we will directly take limit x tend to 0 in the function. So we can write limit y tend to 0 and when x tend to 0 then for the first part only minus y square by y square will be left with us. So we can cancel those, then that will be minus 1 and for the second part will be 0 because when x tend to 0 x sine 1 by x square is 0. So this is minus 1 and hence exist finitely. So statement 2 is also correct. Now check statement 3 which is the simultaneous limit when xy tend to 0 0 fxy. Now we will check this according to the line y equal to mx. So take y equal to mx and we will take limit xy tend to 0 0 according to this line. So then fxy will be x square minus m square x square by x square plus m square x square. We have substituted the value of y equal to mx plus x sine 1 by x square plus m square x square. So this is if we cancel out x square for the first part then we are left with 1 minus m square plus by 1 plus m square plus x sine 1 by m square into m square plus 1 into x square. Now take limit xy tend to 0 0 fxy. Then for the first part 1 minus m square by 1 plus left and for the second part x sine 1 by something into x square that will go to 0. So only we have 1 minus m square by 1 plus m square which depending upon m. Okay. So the limit does not exist. We all know this. So limit does not exist. And hence we will check the options. So option for the first case the statement 1 is true, statement 2 is also true, but statement 3 is false. So now check the options. So in option A S2 S3 are true. No, we have recently checked that S3 is false. S1 S2 true and S3 false. Yes, S1 S3 are true and S2 false. No, S1 S2 S3 all are true. No.